Good morning, everybody. It is January 20th, 2025. Babies have been outside and fed. I'm waking up, starting my day. Tomorrow I go to court, so yeah, today's laundry day, thank God. So I'll figure out what I'm gonna wear for tomorrow, and I'm just gonna hang out today. It's a holiday, so I can't remember what holiday it is, but happy holiday. I hope everybody has a good day, safe travels this morning, and I'll check in later. Bye. Agatha? Play nice. Agatha! I'm getting frustrated because she ain't giving it to him. Come on, Floke. He's looking for acorns, is what he's doing. Go walk over and interrupt what he's doing. What are you doing? Stop looking for acorns. Play. Run. Good afternoon, everybody. Outside, and we're playing. It's beautiful out here, winter wonderland. I hope everybody has a good day. It's a holiday, so there's nothing really I can do today. Checking in. I hope everybody has a good day. Let's check them out. We're in the sun. They're so happy. Being babies, having fun.